YouTube. I just am hopping on today because I wanted to show you a quick haul video of all the goodies that I have gotten donated to me in the last 2 days, 3 days. I did share a small photo on Instagram, but I've gotten more, so I was just going to do a quick haul video. So during this crazy coronavirus, if you're watching this in the future, we cannot leave our houses here in California, so all the thrift stores are closed, all the secondhand stores, everything's basically closed except for takeout and grocery stores, gas station, banks, like anything that's essential to live is open, everything else is closed. So for my reselling business, I have been asking for donations or asking to take things on as consignment. I have 2 things actually that I'm going to show you first that I took on as consignment. It's 2 Lulu's dresses. They're long, they're hanging up over here. So let me just grab those really quick to show you. It's kind of hard to show you because they're full length, but they are both brand new with tags. Really cute for like wedding or bridesmaids. They're both new with tags and they are both size mediums. One's like a blush pink and one is black. So those will be perfect for wedding season, although I think we're gonna miss wedding season. Sad for all the people that are getting married or have wedding plans already, because it looks like we're gonna be inside for the foreseeable future. So I'm gonna start with a couple things that I got dropped off to me on Friday night and Saturday. It's Monday today. So I got some Tiffany's boxes and bags. One of my girlfriends asked me if I wanted those and I said yes, because if I ever find Tiffany's jewelry, it does sell better, you know, if you have the boxes and the bags. So I'll just hang on to those until I find some. You have to excuse me, I'm like playing with my hair because I washed it. So that's like a positive step in this quarantine-ness. I think I'm on day 9 of being quarantined and, you know, it's getting a little weird. So I'm trying to wash my hair and do things to make myself feel better. I did get donated this really cute like patent leather Coach wallet. It's just like a cute, like good travel wallet. If we ever get to travel again. And that one did come with a dust bag, so that's great. I got this other little Coach. I think it's just like a card holder. Like you could even just put photos or just like credit cards, like an ID and credit cards in it. It's cute though, teal. I actually have this in my like in my real life for a passport cover. And then I got some amazing Louis Vuitton pieces. This is like a little keychain coin purse. It's like a red color, and that one did come with a little pouch, which is always helpful when reselling. And then I got this amazing Louis Vuitton wallet. I love Louis Vuitton. It's like my favorite brand. So to have somebody donate it to me is like absolutely amazing. This is one of my girlfriends who is a school teacher. I did donate some board games to her classroom earlier this year. So she basically just said like, in exchange for the Louis Vuitton, like for me to keep an eye out looking for board games and games for her classroom, which is like so super sweet. And then she did give me a little Louis Vuitton mirror that was like in a pouch, the multicolor like white and like rainbow color pattern. I think it's called the multicolor monogram. And I actually already sold that off Instagram, so that was awesome. I haven't even listed it yet. And then she gave me also this new skin. I don't know if you're familiar. It's called In Skin. And it's like essentially this system. I've sold this before. These are the gel pads. My mom actually had one of these, so I sold one of these, I don't know, a year or 2 ago. Did pretty well. I can't remember. I want to say it was like 50, 60, maybe even 80 bucks, so we'll see. And then I had another sweet friend who actually brought me those 2 consignment dresses from a coworker. She gave me the rest of this as donations. She said it was some stuff like that she gets in the Fun Fit Fab box. So Kate Somerville, people love Kate Somerville. What is this? Demolac Ready Runway Luxurious Foot Treatment. Runway Ready? I've never heard of that, but we'll look it up and sell it. And then Dr. Bandit Skin Changing Cleanse Biotic. See if you can see this. Anyways, so those are all new in box. She brought me these really cute Lucky brand jeans. I thought they were like something else. I love the bottom of them. They're cut out and they are a size 6 or 28. So those are super cute. And then she brought me these two, a Hot Tools curling iron. I want to say that's like an inch, I'm not sure. And then a Curo Classic straightener. So we'll look those up and get them listed. But anyways, it's so awesome that people are making donations. And then I picked up 2 bags today. I actually have not gone through these. So this is going to be fun to kind of just pull them out of the bags and see what we get today. So I picked these up today. This is cute, actually. I feel like these hats are like super in. This does not look cute on me, but they are cute. And this is August Hat Company. Just like a super cute hat. I like that a lot. So I haven't gone through any of this. Express Columnist 10 regular work pants. I actually love when I was in like a traditional job and went to work every day. I loved Express editor pants. So, oh, Joe's jeans shorts. Those are cute. These actually look like they're in like great condition. Size 31. So those are fun. Those will definitely sell. Oh, Target and New Day. I know this brand doesn't do very well, but they have some cute pieces. That's actually like a super cute top. See, size large. Very cute. I'm gonna say this wrong. Where are you from? Cute floral blouse, size large. That will definitely sell. Forever 21 dress. That's actually super cute. I like that. Forever 21's hit or miss for me. It just depends. If I think it's something that's super cute, I'll list it. Otherwise, I usually donate it. Be Cool. I've never heard of this brand, but this is super cute. Like a crop. That's really cute. I wish that was my size. Let's see what else. Ooh, these overalls. This is like, is it a dress? Or, yeah, it is a dress. This is like an overall dress. Super cute. Let's see, the brand is Reese Denim, R-E-S Denim, size medium. Very cute. Those give me like an Anthro vibe. Audrey 3+1. This brand makes some super cute stuff. Oh, this is like a jumpsuit. Oh my gosh, this is cute. It's like a mustard. This is hard to show you guys. Jumpsuit. That's really cute. What size is it? I'll have to try this on. This is, I'm gonna need to either look up a stock photo or try that on to post it because it's so cute. I feel like you have to see it on. A Forever 21 dress. Cute. Oh, this one has a couple spots on it, so we'll have to donate that probably, but that's okay. What is this? Z Supply, size large tee. It's like a cutout neck. That's a cute basic. What is this? Pink crushed velvet number. Express. That's cute. Like going out with like a black bottoms. Or denim. What is this? This is Wild Fable. I think this is Target as well. It's like a cute little romper. Tube top romper. Very cute. Let's see. What is this? Sunkissed. Super cute. Society Amuse, I think is how you say that. Silence and Noise. This is from Nordstrom's BP, I think. What is this? Oh, this is cute too. Dress. That's fun. I really like that. It's like a snakeskin, like a shift dress. Very cute. What's this? Another Be Cool. That was that other cute shut top. It was kind of similar. Very cute. Little off the shoulder tie. I love a tie. I'm like obsessed with that trend. Old Navy black shorts. Good staple. What's this? This one is Divided, which is H&M, and it's just like a little black shift dress. Very cute. So that's the first bag. And the second bag I'm already excited about because I think it's Kate Spade. These are boots. like right up the knee boots, black. They are Steve Madden. Those are cute, in pretty good condition. Oh yeah, she put a bunch of stuff in this Kate Spade. So this is awesome. A Kate Spade like patent black tote. Very cute. Has little like some scratches, but really good, and I can clean that up nice. Oh, there's a pair of sunglasses. These are cute. Doesn't look like they're anything fancy, but cute. I love a big sunny. And then let's check out the rest. Forever 21. This is like an olive military jacket or shirt. Cute. I feel like everybody needs one of those in their closet. I think I have two myself. Lila Rose. This is like, it looks denim, but it's linen. Blue blazer. That's cute for spring and summer. Just like throw it over a dress or like an outfit. Kinsey jeans, distressed, size 8/29. Those are cute. They look like they're high-waisted too. What is these? Indigo Rain, size large. These look like a cute pair of like pants. I like these. They're like linen, white and blue striped. Some more jeans. Liverpool Jean Company. Sienna pull-on leggings, size 8 or 29. These are cute. I've never heard of this. I'm gonna have to look up this brand. They're like very stretchy. Like they almost look like, I want to say a maternity jean. They're not, but they look like that and like look like they pull on like that. So I'm assuming they probably like actually keep you sucked in, which is awesome. Here is a Forever 21 flannel, cute. This is a staple, cute staple. It's actually super soft too. An Old Navy flare ankle button fly. These are actually cute jeans. And that's the haul. Everybody has been so amazing. I'm so thankful and grateful for the donations. Happy to take any donations or anything on consignment at this time. I'm picking up, actually I have one friend who has donations for me and one who has consignment for me tomorrow. So I will be getting in more inventory, which is awesome. I'm just gonna, you know, pick it up and take it as much as I can, even though right now I'm really only listing like 10 items a day. But yeah, it is a crazy time. So ask your friends, neighbors, ask on social media, text your friends and family, post on Nextdoor that you're collecting donations, or that you'll do consignment as well. You know, people with nicer stuff, it's worth taking it on consignment. I know consignment is a lot to keep track of, but on higher end items, I feel like it's worth it. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to leave me any comments, and it would do me a huge favor, and I would absolutely love it if you subscribed if you like what you see. Thank you.